What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dre and you're watching Dre's Ways, and today I'm actually going to do a first impressions product review on a new deep conditioner that I have been wanting to try out for a while now. Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Alright, I have been wanting to try this deep conditioner out for a while now. I have been really enjoying the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line just because my hair is bleached and I am trying to get it back to a healthy state. This is for natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. This is, you know, to basically revive your hair if you have any heat damage, if you have any chemical damage done to your hair. Jamaican Black Castor Oil line will be the right line for you. I have not done a deep condition this week, so today is Masque Monday, so I will be doing this deep condition. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to condition my hair, and I'm going to detangle my hair, and I will be right back. So I am back. I have washed and conditioned my hair. The condition that I used this time, it didn't give me much slip, so I just ended up rinsing it out, and I didn't do that much detangling, so I am going to have to detangle my hair quite a bit when I am applying the deep conditioner to my hair. So that brings me to another first impressions review, or review whatever. I just ordered the new Wet Brush Pro, so I will be using this for the first time along with the deep conditioner that I have. My hair is dripping down my neck, so we're just gonna get into it. The smell, you know, isn't the best smelling, but this deep conditioner reminds me of the conditioner from this line, and I really love the conditioner from this line. I'm gonna take these glasses off. Oh wow, this is a nice thick product. Wow, yeah. This is a nice thick but creamy deep conditioner. So I'm gonna start at the perimeter because my hair is really dripping. Wow, just sucked all that up. I'm just gonna now I'm going to go in with the detangling brush. Oh, what? Whoa. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how easily that just go through the hair? What? My hair it's just going like butter. It's just literally, oh my gosh. What? 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 Oh my god. This, I did not. I barely detangled my hair when I was in the shower. You know what? Wait, I gotta do this right. I got to put the glasses on for this one. Okay, so wait, I'm just gonna. Tie this up. Ooh. Twist this up. And boom. Put that up over there like that. And I'm gonna get this brush. And I'm about to just detangle. Wait, okay. It's just weird because I don't use brushes or anything to detangle my hair. So this is even, this is distributing the product evenly throughout my hair. Y'all see that? This is crazy. What? This is, I have very thick hair too, and it's not hurting my hair at all. I just love, what? This is just like, what the fuck? Show y'all what? Y'all see? What? The tangle? What? Just melts the tangles away. Literally just melts the tangles away. Oh my god, this is something else. This is something else. I can just run my fingers through it. This is, I love this wet brush. I really want to make sure I get my ends. I'm having a lot of breakage. What? Well, I have not detangled my hair in a week. Good thing I'm using this deep conditioner today. So now it's evenly distributed through my hair, and I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for maybe 20 to 15 to 20 minutes, whatever, you know, and then I will be back. I just sat underneath the dryer for like 15 minutes. So let's see. Oh. Still seems like I have product just sitting on top of my hair. Hold on, I need to go look in the mirror. Yeah, I still have like lots of like product kind of just sitting on top of my hair. I don't really like that. I usually don't have that problem with deep conditioners. I don't know, I'm finna rinse it out and see how it feels, I guess. So I have rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and I will say that when I first started to rinse it out, my hair felt really soft, and you know, I was able to detangle very easily. But I mean, I don't know. I really had high hopes for this deep conditioner. Where is it? I'm a little disappointed. I'm not gonna even lie. I'm a little disappointed in this product. I thought this product was going to just do wonders for my hair. I thought this product was just going to just have my hair, I don't know. I'm just disappointed. Like, I've most definitely had better deep conditioners than this that, you know, I don't know, maybe it just does better on the repairing side. Maybe it's not something that you, I don't know. I'm trying to this is probably like the first deep conditioner that I don't like. Usually the deep conditioners, I mean, I'm not gonna say that I don't like the product, because you know, it still may help my hair, but I literally thought this was gonna be like a holy grail deep conditioner for me, and it's not. I just thought my hair was just gonna be better than this. And yeah, I mean, I'll give this deep conditioner probably like a C. Yeah, like a good C. It's average. It's not like, oh my god, you know. I'll definitely use it again, just because I do have bleached hair, and this is specifically for repairing chemically heat damaged hair. But will this be like a go-to deep conditioner for me? Absolutely not. Yeah. Would I suggest you go out and buy this product? Sure, like if you have heat damage or anything like that, it may work better for you. If you have more damage, you know, it'll probably work more better, but yeah. The conditioner is better, but you know, whatever. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss. And hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Deuces.